What if the biggest productivity problem in 2026 isn't working hard? Is it switching between too many AI tools? One tool for research, another for presentations, another for images, another for planning. By the end of the day, you've spent more time managing tools than actually getting work done. That's exactly the problem Genspark is trying to solve. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and endless browser tabs, Genspark brings everything into one AI workspace. Today, I'll show you 4 real ways I used it to save time and get better results. Recently, I needed a presentation for a local business owner who wanted to launch an online marketing campaign. Normally, this process takes hours. First, you research the market. Then, you create the outline. Then, you write the content. And finally, you design the slides. So instead, I opened Genspark and used this prompt. Create a 12-slide digital marketing strategy presentation for a small clothing brand. Include audience analysis, marketing channels, content strategy, budget allocation, and growth roadmap. Within minutes, Genspark generated a complete presentation. The slides already had a professional structure, clean layouts, and clear talking points. Also, one important update is that Slides has recently released version 5.0. It now includes a skills feature, where expert-level thinking and templates from different domains are integrated into Slides. This helps you create presentations in the style of real experts in that field. Along with this, export in multiple formats and direct editing options are still available. Another upgrade is that AI chat can use multiple AI models at the same time, and it always provides access to the latest models, which improves accuracy and output quality. Instead of spending 4 to 5 hours building slides manually, I only spent a few minutes making small edits. That's a massive time saver for freelancers, consultants, and students. So I asked Genspark, analyze the latest AI industry trends and create a one-page summary highlighting major opportunities, risks, and emerging business ideas. Instead of giving me scattered information, it produced a structured report with clear sections and actionable insights. The result? I understood the key trends in minutes instead of spending hours researching. This is where AI becomes more than a chatbot. It becomes a decision-making assistant. Creating promotional graphics can quickly become frustrating. You need ideas, you need design skills, and you need multiple revisions. For a recent social media campaign, I used this prompt. Create a premium Instagram advertisement for a wireless speaker, featuring modern lighting, luxury product photography, clean typography, and a high-end technology aesthetic. Within seconds, Genspark generated multiple professional concepts. In comparison, tools like GPT or Nano Banana can usually generate only one image at a time. Instead of spending hours experimenting in design software, I instantly had several options ready to use. The result was faster content creation and a more polished brand image. One of the biggest challenges creators face is consistency. So I asked Genspark, create a 30-day YouTube content strategy for an AI tools channel. Include video ideas, hooks, content angles, posting schedule, and audience growth tactics. The output wasn't just a list of ideas. It was a complete execution plan. Most people use AI to get answers. The smarter approach is using AI to get results. If you're a creator, freelancer, entrepreneur, student, or professional, Genspark can help you move from idea to execution much faster. Check out the link below to explore Genspark and see how it fits into your workflow. And let me know in the comments, which feature would save you the most time?